Hurricane Erin is fueling evacuation orders in North Carolina. The storm has already pounded Puerto Rico with heavy rain and flooding and is now moving almost parallel to the eastern seaboard. NBC's Erin Gilchrist has more from North Carolina's Outer Banks.
Evacuation orders are already in place here for Ocracoke Island and Hatteras Island on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. The tourists are already gone for the most part. Residents are now being told that they need to get out today. The big concern here from officials in these two counties where these islands are is that there's going to be such an inundation of water from Hurricane Erin, water that's pushed on shore, potentially flooding out roads. And I say roads plural, but really there's just one main road that runs along the islands here, Highway 12. And if that road washes out in certain places, as it's expected to do, that would mean that people who stay on the islands are cut off from the mainland, potentially for days if the road impact is significant enough. There's also concern about waves here reaching 15, 20 feet high. There are some oceanfront homes here on the Outer Banks. We saw one down the beach here just yesterday. It's an unoccupied home, but it's up on pilings, and if those waves get to 20 feet high, it's entirely possible that homes like that could be knocked off their pilings, pulled out into the ocean, or sent farther inland, creating some danger there. These are all concerns that officials have at this point, even though we know Hurricane Erin is not going to make landfall here in North Carolina. At the same time, folks who have planned to stay on these islands are telling us that they don't believe there's going to be a major impact. If there is, they're ready for it. We're told they've hunkered down with fresh water, with food. They're prepared potentially to go without power, they say, and they're prepared to do that at least for several days in some cases. And so now the area is really in a wait-and-see posture, really, because we know the tropical storm watch is in effect. We know there's a storm surge watch in effect as well, and coastal flooding is a big expectation, not just here in North Carolina, but really up and down the eastern seaboard from Massachusetts all the way to Florida. And so all these people are going to be watching to see exactly what Hurricane Erin brings to the east coast of the U.S. Back to you.